You can get up to 40% off on your Cloudways hosting by using the special promo code I am about to share. Plus, you will get free migration for up to 30 sites. So firstly, you have to click on the provided link in the description. After that, you will direct to this website. Scroll down and click on this button. After that, it will redirect you to the official website of Cloudways. Here you can explore different hosting plans. Whether you are hosting one site or many, Cloudways has a plan that fits your needs. Once you have chosen the right plan, click on Start Free Trial or choose a paid plan if you are ready to go. Now during the sign up process, you will see a field to enter a promo code. So the promo code is already copied by that special button. So you just have to paste here. And this coupon code is blurred because it gets changed frequently. Coupon code has been successfully applied. Now you have to sign up. And after sign up, you will instantly get 40% off for 4 months. And Cloudways will migrate up to 30 of your website for free. I hope you found this video valuable. Then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.